Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours.
Kamusta na? I really miss you. Sana naman may balik natin yung dati. And gusto ko lang malaman mo na wala lang. Batiin lang kita na happy birthday. Happy birthday! Go Evelyn! It's your birthday! You're gonna libre us! It's your birthday! And if you're not gonna libre us, maybe it's Tom's birthday! Ayan sabihin ha? Message pa rin. Message. Yo, Miss Bell, this is Cap Pep. Love, Dish. Happy birthday. Happy birthday na. Ngayon lang, yun ang regalo ko sa'yo.
1, 2, 3, go! We are the Powerpuff Girls! Hello, I'm Jar. Aloha, I'm Shai. Hola, I'm Diane. Mabuhay, I'm Len. And to you, Belle, happy birthday!
I'd like to greet Belle. Happy birthday. You know Belle? You know Belle? You know Belle?
Ah, Belle Jeline. Belle Jeline.
Hindi. Si Belle Mamba. Belle Mamba. Wala na yun eh. Sino kayo? Sino si birthday?
Belle Bacolod.
Ah, si Belle Bacolod. Nasa Bacolod si Belle. Hindi.
Ayun yung kilala ko yan. Yung nasa binyagan na malaking kumain.
Sobra, diba? Kita mo yung sisig.
Yung malaki ng handa ni Sean.
Kinain.
Tapos lumipat pa siya sa Makati.
Pero, anyway, birthday mo pala ngayon, Belle.
Touch kami kasi.
Touch kami dahil meron. Touch kami dahil birthday mo. Birthday mo.
Maganda ka na naman yung tantaron. Ito ang ibig sabihin.
Ay, kumanda ka na ulit. Puro bitin eh.
Sana makarating sa amin.
Yung
handa mong handa. Huwag mo sana kainin yung handa.
Yung kalate, ibigay mo naman sa akin.
Magkita ka naman ng para sa amin.
Maraming salamat at kahit wala pa yung pakain mo, kami.
Thank you. Narating mo yung edad na yan.
Sige, maraming.
Hey, si Manny ka.
Ay, Manny. Wala si Manny.
To follow si Manny. Happy birthday. All the best.
Happy birthday, Belle.
So please don't, there's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Ba-da-bum-da-ba-bum-ding.